So today I'm going to talk about social media promotions targeting youth. First of all, I would like to discuss about the legal background on social media promotions in Sri Lanka. In the Sri Lanka, in the local setting, National Authority on Tobacco and Alcohol Act 2006, we say it NATA Act. That is the legal document which we use in tobacco control. The NATA Act does not contain any specific clause about social media promotions, but the section 35 of the NATA Act clearly says that the tobacco advertisements should be banned through internet. And as you all aware, Sri Lanka is a FCTC ratified country. So even under the Article 13, it recommends measures to ban tobacco advertisements, promotions, and sponsorships. In the NATA Act, tobacco advertisements are defined like this. But despite of all these acts and laws, in our day-to-day life, we see lots and lots of tobacco promotions in social media. Today I'm going to share some of those with you. If you can see these snapshots, they were taken from one of the Facebook groups created during the COVID-19 curfew season. The name of the group is, in local language, Sikarat Natuwa Velennange Sangame. The meaning of that is the group of people who desperately suffer with no cigarettes due to the curfew season. And these snapshots I have taken from one of the Instagram pages maintained by a very popular character in Sri Lanka. He's actually once a famous tuition master, a politician, a scriptwriter, an artist. He's famous in many ways. This particular Instagram page, which has lots and lots of tobacco promotion, is apparently about his pet dog. Can you believe that? The name of the page itself is Simba Puta, the name of his dog. Okay, this photo was taken from one of the photo shoots which went viral in Facebook pages before a few months in Sri Lanka. Can you notice that the girl is the one who is lighting up the cigarette of the guy? Okay, now this YouTube music video, I just wanted to show you the music video, but I couldn't. Throughout this music video, there is one pretty girl. The girl is the one who is smoking throughout the music video. And can you see how many views are there for this YouTube video? This snapshot I have taken from one of the most famous teledramas in Sri Lanka these days. It's still ongoing, and most of the people watch this teledrama through YouTube. In this particular scenery, there is one guy who is smoking with the school students who are in white color uniform. And I can say that in this teledrama, in almost all the episodes, at least there was one tobacco promotion. Okay, these pictures were taken from recent Sri Lankan movies, which had lots and lots of tobacco promotions. And these banners were shared widely among the Sri Lankan social media platforms. What we noticed was, in most of these movies, the same characters, the same editors, the same directors, actors, and actresses were highlighted. Yeah, these are also some banners like that, which widely shared among the social media platforms. Okay, some of you might have seen these images before. Before few months, some random guys had shared this image of the cigarette packet with 2 cigarettes in their WhatsApp and Facebook stories. And actually, there was no such cigarette packet in Sri Lankan market. So based on these images, these stories, the CCT team, along with the addict team, we started our investigations, and finally we could find out that this was a trial version done by the local tobacco company. So based on the investigations, we even generated one industry watch piece in BMJ Tobacco Control. However, finally, this tobacco product did not come to the Sri Lankan market. Okay, even these images were shared during the COVID-19 curfew season. Some groups had started online delivery services of tobacco and alcohol products via WhatsApp and Facebook. Organizing events and parties through Facebook is also one of the most common thing even in Sri Lanka. And most of the times, tobacco and alcohol companies or some drug dealers are behind these events and parties. They spend lots and lots of money to attract youth to their tobacco and alcohol products. So what actually happens with these promotions? Through these promotions, they form a very positive image on cigarettes and smoking with, among the youth. Tobacco companies or whoever is behind these promotions, they try to symbolize smoking as a feature of adolescence. And through glamorization of their product, they try to make their product more attractive. And through everything, through all these, they try to make smoking a very normal thing among the youth. And finally, the tobacco companies very smoothly influence initiation and sustenance of smoking behaviors among the youth. So at the end of the day, what we have to understand is social media is a very powerful platform in influencing tobacco related attitudes among youth. Tobacco industries are using this tactic so wisely. To protect our youth from tobacco, we must act more wiser. That's what I have to say. Thank you.